Good morning, children. Lesson number 3 of your supplementary reader is going on. The lesson is The Midnight Visitor. Three characters are very important in this lesson. First, Osable, who is a secret agent. Another secret agent is Max. And third character is Fowler. These lines, the lines in the box are very important for you. Osable, a secret agent, is expecting to get a very important report. Another secret agent, Max, threatens him with a pistol, demanding the report. Does Osable outwit him? This is the question. You have to search the answer of these questions. Perhaps these questions will help you to understand this lesson. First, how is Osable different from other secret agents? It means Osable is different from other secret agents or spies. First thing we should keep in our mind, we have to search in this lesson. Other is, who is Fowler and what is his first authentic thrill of the day? Fowler is a writer, as I had told you in the beginning. Now read the lesson line by line. Osable did not fit any description of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. This is the question. How is Osable different from other secret agents? Following him down the musty corridor, musty is damp corridor of the gloomy, that is dark, French hotel where Osable had a room. I think you understand. Osable, the secret agent, the spy, had taken a room in a hotel. Hotel is French hotel, and other characteristics are there. Musty corridor. Other is gloomy French hotel. That is gloomy is dark French hotel where Osable had a room. Fowler felt let down. It was a small room on the 6th and top floor, and scarcely a setting for a romantic adventure. Adventure is a work of daredevillery. Osable was, for one thing, fat, very fat, and then there was his accent. Accent is a way of his speaking. Though he spoke French and German passably, which can be understood, He had never altogether lost the American accent he had brought to Paris from Boston 20 years ago. You are disappointed, Osipul said. Hugely. Said hugely means the word which are spoken on giving a stress on nose. You can say. Speak lowly. Osipul said hugely over his shoulder. You were told that I was a secret agent, a spy dealing in espionage and danger. You wished to meet me because you are a writer, young and romantic. You envisioned means you thought mysterious figures in the night, the crack of pistols means noise of pistols, drugs in the wine. Instead, you have spent a dull evening in a French music hall with a sloppy fat man. Sloppy is careless fat man who, instead of having messages slipped into his hand by dark-eyed beauties, gets only a project telephone call making an appointment in his room. You have been bored. The fat man chuckled to himself as he unlocked the door of his room and stood aside to let his frustrated guest enter. You are disillusioned, means you are disappointed, Osipul told him. But take cheer, my young friend. Presently, you will see a paper, a quite important paper for which several men and women have risked their lives. Come to. With several men and women have risked their lives, come to me someday. Soon, that paper may well affect the course of history. In that thought is drama, is there not? As he spoke, Osipul closed the door behind him. Then he switched on the light. And as the light came on, Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day. Authentic is genuine thrill of the day. For halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand, stood a man. Osipul blinked a few times. Osipul closed and opened eyes a few times. Blinked means closed and opened eyes. Max, he wished. He spoke lowly. You gave me quite a start. I thought you were in Berlin. What are you doing here in my room? Asked Max. So, you read this part of the lesson many times. Uh, we should discuss the question, how is Osipul different from other secret agents? You can say Osable was very fat. He spoke French and German with American accent. We have read. He used ordinary telephones. He lived in a mediocre and dark French hotel. So he was different from other secret agents. I think you understand this question. Second question, who is Fowler and what is his first authentic thrill of the day? In the very outset, I had told you Fowler is a writer. He wants to meet Osable to cover him for writing for his publication. His first authentic thrill is that he outwitted Osable in a simple way. So, children, you read this part of the lesson again and again. Try to understand. Thank you.